In this tutorial, I will show you how you can take user input in Bash. To take any input in Bash, read command is used. Uh, so our first example is showing the simple use of read command using an script. So you have to add this code into a file, in a Bash file, and save the file as read.bash. The file is stored in desktop folder. Okay. What this code will do, echo happening means new line will be omitted. What is your favorite food? And and here the read command will wait for the user for any input. When the user type anything, then it will print like then it will print by this echo command with other text. Okay, open the terminal and go to the folder desktop and run this command, and file name is here read dot bash. Okay, now bash read dot bash. Now it is waiting for the user input. Suppose I have done pizza, and it shows the output of your line pizza. In this way, you can take easily user input in Bash by using read command. Now go for the next example using read command with options. Here two options are shown. One is "-p", another is "-s". P option is mainly used to show a helping text for the user what type of data he will insert, or what type of data he will type. And "-s" option is used to if you want to insert any password type data, then you can use "-s", that will hide the text that user have typed. Now I will create another script with this code using text editor and save the file with read2.bash. Okay, here you can see read-p. Here username is a helping text to inform the user what type of data he will type, and next use -asp. Two options are used here. Helping text will be shown as password, and the value will be hide for the user will type. Now it is checking if the user type admin as a username and password 1234. If both values matches, then it will show successful login, otherwise unsuccessful login. So I will bash 2. Okay, it is waiting for the username. Suppose I have typed wrong username and wrong password, then it will show unsuccessful login. Now I will type a valid username, admin, and the password. You can see password is not showing here for the option "-s". Successful login. Now go for the next example using the read command to take multiple input. In the previous two examples, a single data is taken as input. Here I will show you how you can insert two or more data using script and read command. Okay, create another script and save the script as read3.bash. Okay, Here type your names of your favorite colleagues. The simple text will be printed, and here four variables are defined: len 1, len 2, len 3, and len 4. So it will take four outputs, and after that the four outputs are printed. Okay, now run the script and check how it works. Grade 3, and it is waiting for the output. Suppose I have typed hello, book, pen, and pencil. Here you can see the output. Hello is your first choice, book is your second choice, pen is your third choice, and pencil is your fourth choice. Okay. Now go for the next example using read command with time limits. That means the script will wait for some times for the input. If the time exceeds, then it will terminate from the program. For this, -t option is used. So I will get another file with this script. Here, read command is used -t5-p. That means it will show a helping text as type your favorite color, and it wait for 5 seconds for the input. If the user does not give any input, then it will exit from the program. Otherwise, it will show the input that the user has typed. Now I will run the script, and this is I didn't save the file, so first save the file, bash sorry read 4.bash. Okay, now run the script 4.bash. It will wait for 5 seconds and terminate from the program. So no output is shown here. Now I will type my favorite color, and it is showing the output. And this was the last example of this tutorial, and hope the use of read command is clear now. Thank you for watching.